Hello, good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper, on Tuesday, May the 30th, 2023, almost end of the month. No, it's actually an old additional of Thursday, April the 20th, 2023. In today's newspaper, we have no extra puzzles. Only one, a regular medium Sudoku. So I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. So two puzzles remain: the Two Stars Sudoku and tectonic with 1 star. Let me start first with the Two Stars Sudoku, and this will be number 6512. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. I believe this one has 26, I believe. Yeah, 26 printed digits. Let me go. Yeah, 20 printed, 26 correction. And for Two Stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in the middle row, so no 1 in these two boxes. Here 1 in the first column, so no 1 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1. Shoot there. Alright. Then. Let me think. Come on. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 4. Shoot there. Come on. How about? 5. Need the pairs. 8. But the 9. Oh, wait, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here, 9 in this row, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9. 8. Need the 8 here. Need the 8 there. Need the 4 here. Need the 4 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 2 here, yeah. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this column, so no 2 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Told you we need a pairs. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay, so what are these 3 missing numbers then in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 3, 5, 6. Can I do something? Nope. 3, 5, 6. Need to wait. 7. Need a 4 here. 4. 7, 4. About these 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. And we have a pair. The 9 and the 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. The 9 and the 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 9 and 6. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Two missing numbers now in this column for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. No, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So, and now, let me see, 7, yeah. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Need a 1 here, need a 1, 1, 1. Need a 1 here also, 1, 1. 1, how about the 2 then? Nope. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 then. No. The 8 then. 8, 8, need an 8 here. Alright, need to wait. Have some patience. Yeah. Alright. 2, 2. Let me think. We have a 4 here. We have a 7 here. Okay. So we have 7. 7, 7, 7. Need a 2 here. No 6. 6. No. But 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. We have 8 here. I'm thinking. 5, 5, 5. Need a 5 here also. We have a pair. A lot of pairs in this Two Stars Sudoku. 5 and a 7 in this column. First column. 5 and a 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 5 and a 7 goes in these 3 boxes. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. And look, we have 5 and a 7 in the last row. So no 5 and a 7 in this box. 5 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. Alright. Then 4, 7, 5, yeah. Alright, okay. So the 6, the 2, and the 8 are left. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 3 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 6, 2, and 8. We have 6, 2, and 8 in this row, so no 6, 2, and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 6, 2, and 8 goes in those 3 boxes. 6, 2, 8, 6, 2, 8, 6, 2, 8. Well, we have an 8 here, so 2 and a 6 here. 6, 2, 8, 6, 2, 8. Okay. So what are the other 2 missing numbers then in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 now in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. 9 in the first column. 9 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. Here 9 in the second row. No 9 there. Only place left for the 9 should be there. So here we have a 7 and a 5 as a pair. So these 3 missing numbers should be the 2 and a 6 and the 3 is missing here. We need a 3 here. Well, 2, 6, and a 3. 2, 6, and a 3. 2, 6, and a 3. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 in the second row. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this column for number 3. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 now in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright. 3, 3, yeah. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. The first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row. No 3 there, 3 should be there. Need a 1 here. Here, give me 1. Here. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 4, 8. 148, 148, 148. Well, we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. Here, 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be here. So the 4 and 8 are left. 4 and 8 cannot do something here. About these two missing numbers in this big square, the 2 and the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. Well, let me mark those again. How about? This one is not easy. Quite easy. 7 and 5. Okay. Cannot do something with the 7 and 5. How about 4, 4, 4, 4? Need a 2 here. Need how about a 9 then? 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 and a 6, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a 2 here, so the 6 and the 8 are left here. Okay. How about here? 2 and a 6. No. 6, 2, 8. Well, we have a 2 here, so this should be 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We have a pair. 6 and 8. Yeah. So this box should be a 2 then. Yeah. 7 and a 5. Okay. Yeah. 2, 2, 2. Yeah. 2 in the third column. 2 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. So 1 box left in this column for number 6. We have a 2 here already. Okay. 6 and 8. We have a 6 now in this big square, so this box should be an 8. That box should be 6. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. These 2 should be 7 and 5. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, and 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left here in this column, the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, and 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 9 and a 6, we have a 6 now in the last row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 6 and 8, we have a 6 now in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. 4 in this column. 4 in that column. So the column between. Middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this middle row for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the row below, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this last row for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 1 box left in this row. Again for the 3, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 5 and the 6 are missing. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so in the column next only place left for the 6. Should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next only place left for the 5. Should be there. 7 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Those you need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2 stars Sudoku. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle in this additional. Until then, bye bye for now.